Site waste management plans, 5 ways to reduce waste. Waste reduction tip 1, train employees and subcontractors in the reasons for operating sustainably. Employee knowledge and commitment are essential prerequisites for high performance in waste reduction. Waste reduction tip 2, only use suppliers which will accept back your unused materials. Change your company policy to only work with suppliers that will take back surplus supplies when not used. Over 10% of materials delivered to construction sites are never used. For example, leftover bricks most often get thrown into a skip and landfilled, or just buried on site. Waste reduction tip 3, use excess earthworks materials to contour and landscape your sites. The amount of material which may be used in this way may be severely limited on congested inner city sites, but remains worth doing wherever possible. Waste minimization tip 4, use a site crusher to reprocess existing concrete and stone on site for reuse in the new site structures. In the UK, using site crushing plant to reprocess existing demolished site materials to reuse them again on site is also becoming a standard practice. Waste reduction, think creatively. Examples would be the reuse a loved building facade or other features from the original building. Concluding this video, when savings are achieved, it is important to ensure that the site waste management plan takes on board the principles of the waste hierarchy. For more information visit https://landfill-site.com/SWMPs5